Excel shorts. How to use conditional formatting to highlight the above average values in a given range of cells in Excel. So to do this, all you have to do is highlight the range of values you want to apply the formatting to. Let's just say the numbers in this table. Now, go to the Home tab. Then, go to the Styles section. At the top of the Styles section, there's Conditional Formatting. Click the down arrow. Now, go to top bottom rows, and then just click above average. Here, you now have the option to select what formatting that you want. You can have green fill, yellow fill, red fill, or you can even select the custom formatting of whatever numbers, fonts, borders, fill that meets your needs or your purposes. Let's say we wanted the green fill for the above average values. Click OK. And as you can see, in green, you have the values that are above average. I hope you found this to be useful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.